So in this video, you'll learn how to fix the missing now bar from the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you want the now bar to return back to the lock screen, whether it was giving you easy access to information or you just like the aesthetic of how it looks like on the lock screen, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the settings app, and in settings, you want to scroll and select the option lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on now bar, and then you want to scroll down and tap on the toggle next to now brief to enable it. Once you've done that, you'll notice now that whenever you navigate to your lock screen, you should see the now bar has now appeared. So now you can just tap on it like that and you can view your morning brief or afternoon brief or whatever information it is trying to give you. So that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.